In this video, I'll show you how to duplicate a page in Squarespace. Now, once you are on your Squarespace website, what you want to do is simply head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. In here, you just want to make sure that you are on website, and below website, simply click on pages. Now that will bring you to the pages section, and what you want to do on the left hand side is either on the main or the not linked pages, you want to head over to the page in which you want to duplicate. I want to duplicate the services page, and what you want to do is hover on that page. On the right hand side, simply click on the cog for settings, and once that's done, a tab will show. This will be your page settings. Now, on the left hand side, you just want to make sure that you are on the General tab. And on the General tab, you want to scroll down at the very bottom. And in here, you will find an option to duplicate a page. So simply click on Duplicate Page. And once that's done, simply click on Confirm at the bottom and the right hand side. And once you click on confirm on the very left hand side on the not linked page, you will automatically see that we have successfully duplicated that page. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.